Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Manqoba Mngqithi says that Thembinkosi Lorch won't feature for their game against Rulani City on Sunday in the MTN 8 semi-final. Yeah, he says that Thembinkosi Lorch is not fully fit yet. Yeah, he says that Thembinkosi Lorch is contracted to the club and has a responsibility to deliver for the club. Yeah, he says Lorch is in a very good space. We were with him even this morning. He started training, although he's not into full training. Yeah, so there are speculations that due to Thembinkosi Lorch's close relationship with Rulani Mokwena, it seems like Manqoba Mngqithi won't trust him this season. So a lot of people, they are speculating that it seems like he will spend more time on the bench more than on the pitch, because we know that it seems like Manqoba Mngqithi didn't exactly like Rulani Mokwena after the interview he did with Robert Marawa. So he was hinting that it seems like they didn't get along with Rulani Mokwena. So Thembinkosi Lorch was signed by Rulani Mokwena and is also a friend of Rulani Mokwena. So, and since Rulani Mokwena is not at the club anymore, it seems like it's going to be a problem. So let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think is going to happen to Thembinkosi Lorch and Manqoba Mngqithi? Do you think that they'll keep things professional and Thembinkosi Lorch will play, or maybe he will find himself on the bench? So let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section.